Welcome to the age of artificial intelligence-driven enterprises, or AIDEs. My name is Paul Cheek. I'm a tech entrepreneur and I'm the senior advisor for entrepreneurship and AI at MIT. Through my work running the Martin Trust Center for MIT Entrepreneurship and teaching as a senior lecturer at MIT Sloan, I've seen the future of business. In this video, you'll learn how AI-driven enterprises differ from traditional startups and what it means for economic growth. We'll compare SMEs, small medium enterprises, think small businesses like restaurants or professional services firms. IDEs, innovation-driven enterprises, think tech startups, and AIDEs, or artificial intelligence-driven enterprises. We're going to look at these different types of businesses across 7 dimensions so that you can see where the opportunities lie. Now, let's get into it. Number 1 is risk. SMEs are low risk. They start small and aim local. IDEs, on the other hand, swing for the fences. Big markets, big capital, and big risk. AIDEs, they're somewhere in between. They combine the global goals of IDEs, but by leveraging AI tools, they reduce the overhead and mistakes, thus reducing risk in building these businesses. 2, the market. SMEs stay local. A diner, a repair shop, they grow in their local neighborhood. IDEs target the whole world. Think Uber, Airbnb, biotech startups. AIDEs also think globally, but can do it without moving to Silicon Valley. 3, innovation. SMEs innovate modestly. A new recipe, a better process, adding an additional table, or expanding next door. IDEs are all about invention. Think patents, algorithms, and new models. AIDEs innovate in what they do and how they work. AI runs the back office, the code, and in some cases, even the marketing. 4, funding, the money. SMEs are often bootstrapped or family funded. IDEs are capital hungry. With such vast R&D expenses and global scaling, they need to fundraise in order to meet cash flow break even. AIDEs can start lean and generate revenue fast. They might still raise money, but they don't depend on it early in the game. 5, the timeline. SMEs open quickly. You rent space, print menus, start serving. IDEs can take years to build and refine innovative products. AIDEs launch in weeks. AI builds the prototypes, rewrites the code, handles customer feedback. Clock speed is rapid for these AIDEs. 6, headcount, the people. SMEs stay small, a dozen employees, perhaps family members. IDEs eventually employ hundreds of people. AIDEs can scale without people. They use AI to automate support, sales, design, and otherwise. 7, clock speed. SMEs change slowly, maybe a new dish or service offered every year. IDEs iterate faster, but each change takes people and time. AIDEs move rapidly. AI pushes updates, tests features, and learns from users in real time. 8, revenue. SMEs often make money from year 1, whereas IDEs lose money for years. AIDEs can reach break-even in months. Fast revenue, low costs, and small teams. This changes how we think about startup economics. So what does this mean for you? If you're an entrepreneur, it means that the next company you start will look very different than the last one you started. If you work in a corporation, it means that new companies emerging into the marketplace will steal your market share much more quickly than ever before. If you're in economic development, it means rewriting your playbook. Support startups that stay lean, move fast, and use AI as their core. These AI DEs are not just a new type of startup. These AI DEs are those businesses that will emerge and create new value for us as society. They're a new math for economic growth. Fewer people, faster results. Bigger reach, and the playing field has never been more level.